Today, I'll show you how to adjust line spacing in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file where you want to change the spacing. Once the PDF is open, look for the Edit PDF tool. You may see it on the right side of the screen. If not, click Tools, then choose Edit PDF. After the Edit PDF tool opens, Acrobat will detect the editable text areas in your document. Click the text box that contains the lines you want to adjust. Now highlight the text you want to change, or click inside the text box if you want to adjust the whole paragraph. On the right side, look for the text formatting options. Depending on your version of Acrobat, you may see options for font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Look for line spacing, paragraph spacing, or a similar spacing control. Increase the spacing if the lines look too close together. Decrease the spacing if the text takes up too much space. If you do not see a line spacing option, you can still make small adjustments manually. For example, you can change the font size slightly, resize the text box, or press Enter to add space between paragraphs. Be careful when editing PDFs, because changing spacing can move text and affect the layout. After adjusting the spacing, review the page carefully. Check that the text is still easy to read and does not overlap with images, tables, or other content. If the PDF was scanned as an image, Acrobat may not let you edit the text right away. In that case, go to Tools, then choose Scan and OCR. Run text recognition first, then go back to Edit PDF and try again. When everything looks correct, click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original file unchanged, choose Save As and save a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, choose Edit PDF, select the text, adjust the line spacing if the option is available, review the layout, and save the file. And that's how you adjust line spacing in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.